Hey guys, it's Savage the Best here. Get today with a brand new video, and I'm here with Dirks Ducky, and we're gonna show you how to take off the grips of your
original Xbox One.
No headphone jack. So first thing you want to do, you see this little tiny crease.
One of these screwdrivers
that are really thin.
It has to be thin enough because some of them
are too thick and won't get in.
So the difference is this one's like thinner and then this one's like a lot thicker than this. And only this one can fit because this one's like really thick.
So once you do that, you get this in there. And then this.
We have two of these.
Yeah, just in case one didn't work. And go in. It'll pop out a little. And then you just slide a bit down.
One side.
Oh, yeah. And then you switch to the other side. Pop, pop. See, I'm trying it.
And then push
pop,
it in a little bit
pop.
more. I can't see.
Oh. And then once you do that,
show them before.
Okay.
It should have like a little
like
right
opening.
Here. And then
you go in.
Try the thing in the. There should be.
And then
you could
you
have
go a little deeper.
For this that has like this little lip on it, but.
And there. Now all you have to do is take it off. There you go. Now if you want to clean your grips, now you know.
Inside there, but you don't want to use any water.
Yeah, you never want to use any water because you can get into the system and break your controller.
But so if you were wondering on how to take this apart, so underneath this little sticker right here, are you fine with taking it off? This little sticker. So I did that on mine. So if you're fine with taking this little sticker off,
that's right here.
There's a little screw under it that you need a certain screwdriver for. Like I don't remember what it's called, but you'll need a certain screwdriver for it, and we don't have it, so we're not going to be taking that apart today.
We might do it next episode if you want us to, and if we can get like maybe I don't know, at least enough likes to do it. See, this is how you take out. It's the same screw to take out the power bank. If you're wondering how to do that, we could try to get the screwdriver, but it will take a while for it to come.
But there's also some little screws, like, here, like right here, in order to unscrew right there and right here.
To get into the real inside of the controller. But if you just want to see if it's really dirty,
that's how you can like replace all these buttons too.
Yeah. So if you just take out part by part, eventually you're gonna get into the system. But if you just want to clean this because you think it's really dirty and you want to check it, well, I just showed you.
You don't really need
much.
That special screwdriver. All you need is a screwdriver like this. That's kind of thin enough.
And that's really it. And the easiest way to put it back on, you just get this.
Pop it on.
You just put it in like this, and all you have to do is push and pop back into place. And it still works.
Pop it back in place.
And then once you do that, you just do. And there, now they're both back on. And you can't pull them apart.
Not loose.
Yeah, they're not loose. So, if you want another one like this, hit that like button. And definitely subscribe. See you next time. Peace.